If you meet the admission requirements, you must complete the application process to begin your enrollment at ASU. In this section, we'll look at the admission requirements and application steps for freshmen. You can start this process on the ASU Admission Services webpage by selecting Freshman. This opens a page where you can review information about how and when to apply for freshman admission, including admission requirements, important semester dates, and application steps. Let's look at the admission requirements. The Admission Requirements webpage spells out your requirements, such as the courses you must have completed in high school, your GPA, ACT and/or SAT scores, and the ASU competency requirements. By scrolling down, you will also find other requirements, such as higher requirements at some ASU schools and colleges, requirements for homeschool applicants, and requirements for students with a GED. In addition to the admission requirements, you can also review the application steps. On the undergraduate admission webpage, first-time freshmen can select either the ASU application or the common application. We have no preference between the ASU application and the common application, but ASU accepts only one. If two applications are submitted, one will be canceled in our system. The ASU application takes about 30 minutes to complete. You can save your application and come back if needed. Prior to starting your ASU application, we recommend that you obtain a copy of unofficial transcripts from your high school counselors. ASU does accept self-reported high school grades on the undergraduate admission application. Once you're admitted, you will need to submit official 7th semester transcripts before enrolling in classes. Submission of an ACT or SAT score is highly recommended for merit-based scholarship consideration. When using the ASU application, you first need to create an account. Once you have created the account, you will be able to start and complete your application. The common application may be used for convenience by prospective freshmen who are applying at multiple universities. We recommend ASU application to Arizona residents who intend to apply to Arizona schools only. Whether you use the ASU application or common application, be sure to review the application fees to find the best fit for you. The second step in the application process is to submit the non-refundable application fee. This fee is required by all students and is non-refundable under any circumstances. For the ASU application, you can see the cost of the application fee on the application login page. The third step is to request to have ACT or SAT scores sent directly to ASU from an ACT or college board. ACT or SAT scores are required for merit scholarship consideration and for ASU course placement. It is also required for some majors and can be helpful in the general admission process. You can take these tests multiple times. ASU will take the highest score. The fourth step is to request transcripts from each education institution attended. Official transcripts must be mailed or sent electronically directly to admission services by the records office of the issuing institution. Transcripts delivered by hand will be accepted only if they are sealed in the original high school envelope. ASU does not accept transcripts transmitted by fax. High school transcripts must show GPA and date of graduation. ASU requires an English translation of all foreign language transcripts. You can select the link on the screen for an explanation of the competency requirements. Note that if you self-report your grades, you do not need to submit an official transcript to receive your admission decision. However, an official final transcript will be required before you enroll in classes. Below the application steps, you'll find the mailing address to send all application materials. After you apply for admission, you'll be sent an ASU Write user ID that you can use to sign in and view your admission status. We recommend that you write down your ASU Right user ID and password for logging into your My ASU page, where you can frequently check on your admission status. In summary, as a first-time freshman, be sure to use ASU's website to carefully review your admission requirements and to complete the steps of the application process.